Hi everyone, in this video we will solve an exponential equation 5 power a plus 5 power a equals 100. Find the value of a. Let's start the solution of this question. We are given 5 power a plus 5 power a equals 100. If we take 5 power a common, then it will be 1 plus 1 equals 100, or 5 power a times 1 plus 1 2 equals 100. Now divide 2 on both sides of the equation. Here 2 cancel with 2, 2 times 50 is 100. So we get the simplified form of the equation 5 power a is equal to 50. Now in order to find the value of a, we will take log 5 power a is equal to log of 50. We have taken log on both sides of the equation. Now we will use the power rule of log for this. What is power rule of log? Log of m power n is equal to n times log of m. So it will be a times log of 5 is equal to log of 50. Now a times log of 5 equals log of 50 can be written as 25 times 2. Okay. Use product rule of log. Log of m cross n equal log of m plus log of n. So our equation now becomes a log of 5 equals log of 25 plus log of 2. Now divide log 5 on both sides of the equation. Log 5, log 5. Log 5 cancel with log 5. A equal to log of 25 is basically 5 square divided by log of 5 plus log 2 divided by log 5. Once again apply the power rule of log here. A equals 2 times log of 5 divided by log of 5 plus log of 2 divided by log of 5. Cancel out log of 5, log of 5. So we have a equals 2 plus log of 2 divided by log of 5. Applying the quotient rule of log here, that is log of m divided by log of n equals log of m to the base n. So we get the final value of a equals 2 plus log of 2 to the base 5. This is the final answer of a. But we will do a check here. We will put this value of a back in our given question, which is 5 power a plus 5 power a equals 100. or the simplified form of this equation is 5 power a equals 50, or 5 power a equals 50. Put the value of a here in exponent, that is 5 power 2 plus log of 2 to the base 5, 50. Now we will use a formula here. A power m plus n is equal to a power m times a power n. So it will be 5 power 2 times 5 power log of 2 to the base 5 is 50. Now 5 square is 25 times 5 log of 2 to the base 5, 50. Here we will use a formula for this. A power log of b in the base a equals to b. So in our case a is 5 and b is 2, so the whole term replaces by b, which is 2. So 25 times 2 50 equals 50. Left hand side equal to right hand side. It means value of a 2 plus log of 2 to the base 5 is correct. This is the final answer of this question, and I hope you understand this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get the notification of my new daily videos. Thank you for watching. Okay, bye.